Recovery after a breast lift or mastopexy. After surgery, you can shower after 24 hours. Now, that is if you only had a breast lift, you had no implants placed, you can shower after 24 hours. If I put implants in you at the time of the breast lift, then you have to wait 48 hours before you can shower. Exercising, I'm okay with you exercising after 1 week. If you are wearing a supportive bra at that time and you are not doing any exercises that involve bouncing. So stationary bike is okay after 1 week if you're wearing a bra, if you really feel like exercising. Swimming, going underwater, baths, lakes, pools, that kind of thing, wait 3 weeks. Assuming everything's healed up at 3 weeks, you can go underwater. So again, this is an important distinction. I let people shower after a mastopexy if they had no implants placed after 24 hours. If I did put implants in you, please wait 48 hours. Now, as far as the incision care goes, I want you to wait for those steri strips to fall off. Once they fall off, we're gonna give you some paper tape, and I want you to put paper tape on your incisions up until the 6-week mark. Once we hit the 6-week mark, then you can quit using the paper tape and we'll do a laser treatment of your scars. And that is what we found creates the best scars and the finest scars in the end is if we do paper tape initially and then laser them around 6 weeks. As far as wearing a bra or supportive garment, I want you to wear a supportive bra that is comfortable and provides some gentle compression of your breasts for 8 weeks following surgery. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.